everything is energy. Sex energy is one of the more powerful forces we possess as physical manifestations of source energy. How do I know, you ask? Think about it. Sexual energy literally creates life. These days, due to lack of knowledge and a wave of sexual liberation, men and women truly waste energies that, when focused in the right direction, could yield magnificent results. Now, energy cannot be good or evil. Energy is energy. However, it can be utilized with good or bad intentions, and it can also be wasted away. Do you know that constant daily masturbation or meaningless hookup sex involves building up your sexual energies and letting it waste away? There is nothing wrong with that, because I'm no prude, but those that wish to manifest their desires, whether good or evil, though I'll always encourage you to do good, should be more selfish and protective of their sexual energies. Remember the basic law of attraction formula: desire plus intention plus strong emotion equals manifestation. Typically, LOA teachers ask their students to manifest using the feeling of excitement at their desires being manifested. This excitement energy comes from the solar plexus chakra and can be effective. Some LOA veterans prefer to make use of the feeling of love to complete their manifestations. The green energy of the heart chakra also works well for this purpose. However, I wish to advocate for the use of the feeling of pleasure, that is, our sacral chakra energy, to manifest. The process of transforming sexual energies into strong emotional force for your manifestations is called sexual transmutation, and I'm going to show you how to do this. But first, let's talk about orgasms. The energetic profile of an orgasm. Physically, an orgasm causes a man to release seminal fluid and a woman's uterus to contract sporadically. In both genders, breathing ramps up, the pulse quickens as well as blood pressure. The center for behavior control in our brain shut down, and we are in a state of total surrender. These are only physical manifestations of what happens on an energetic level, because during orgasm, there is an unrestricted flow of energy through the chakra system, and one's body is in a state of ultimate receptivity. At the point of climax, you are at one with your higher consciousness, which is why no one can really describe the feeling. Sex and climax has been used for centuries as method by which one can experience enlightenment. Google the practice of Tantra. Therefore, during an orgasm, you can channel the released accumulated energy towards your goals for manifestation. Steps to manifestation with sexual energy. Step 1. Set out your goal. You can write it down, visualize it, or even both. With visualization, ensure that you have a very clear, detailed picture of your desire, complete with the emotions you would feel when you achieve your goals. Step 2. Build up your energy. Hold off on climaxing for as long as you can. Don't masturbate for a week, a month, or as long as you can hold off. When you feel the urge, a tingling in your crotch area, close your eyes and visualize the energy reaching up and being absorbed by all your chakras up to your Sahasrara or crown chakra. You will feel it like a bolt of heat up your body. As you do this, focus on your goals as much as possible. Step 3. Release to the universe. Choose a day to release. I advise to be very deliberate about this. I choose a day like the full moon or waxing gibbous, as natural energy is at its peak during this time. If you are manifesting wealth or abundance, then the full moon is absolutely perfect, as its divine feminine energy is the abundance-bringing energy. During the act, focus on your goal and the emotions as established in Step 1. You can focus on whatever is creating the arousal to get to the point of orgasm, and just as you climax, call up the most vivid visual of your goal while channeling the feeling of orgasm upwards into you, like in Step 2. If you like sigils, you can hold on to the sigil and focus on it during climax, if you are alone, or trace it on your partner's body with your finger. Please get consent first. Step 4. Trust the universe. Expect synchronicities, inspiration, and motivation, and act on it. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. A like and a comment would mean the world to us here at Spiritual Quest. We try our best to give our audience valuable knowledge and insights to grow spiritually. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being you.